Actuator trip solution. When the actuator is in the tripping state, we shake the handwheel, and the dial of the actuator will not move. Need to re-engage the internal gears to solve the trip problem. First, use a wrench to remove 4 screws that connect the actuator to the valve. Then use an Allen wrench to remove the 2 limit screws on the actuator. After removing the limit screws, we push the actuator clockwise. Then turn the actuator counterclockwise in the open direction. The internal gear is remeshed. During the rotation process, observe whether the dial in the window follows the action. The dial resumes, indicating that the gear has been remeshed. Then we will move the actuator to the fully closed position. Move the valve. The line marks on the valve stem correspond to the valve plate. Turn the valve to the full closing position according to the line mark. Turn the valve clockwise to the fully closed position with a rank. When the line marks are parallel to the valve body, the valve has been restored to the fully closed position. Assemble the actuator to valve again. Turn the handwheel counterclockwise to open direction. Align the connecting holes of actuator and valve. After aligning the holes, screw the screws back. Disconnect the connection of handwheel. Move the actuator to the fully open position through the electric part. After confirming that it is correct, screw back the limiting screws in the opening direction. Facing the limiting screws, the left side is open limit, the right side is closed limit. Screw back the left side of the opening limit screw. After being screwed until it cannot be screwed, the screws are reversed and screwed out of half a circle. Tighten and fix the lock nut with a wrench. The actuator is also moved to the fully closed position by electric control. Tighten the closing screw on the right side back. After screwing until it can't be screwed, withdraw the screw half a turn in reverse. Tighten and fix the lock nut with a wrench. After completing the reassembly, control the actuator to the full opening position by the electric control. After the opening direction is correct, move towards the closing position again. After the full closing position is also correct, it means that the actuator tripping problem has been solved.